Looking to score that job interview and feel like you just won the lottery? Then listen up. You're hired. Resume Tactics, Job Search Strategies That Work, by author Rae Stonehouse isn't just another book that promises you the moon. Nah, it cuts right to the chase and gives you the nitty-gritty on how to make your resume. Are you ready to land your dream job with the latest in job searching skills and tactics? It is often said that resumes are your ticket to job searching success. The You're Hired Resume Tactics book is like having your own job coach helping you land your job. You're Hired. Resume Tactics by Rae Stonehouse is available at the Live for Excellence store. https://liveforexcellence.store. You're Hired. Resume Tactics, Job Search Strategies That Work puts you to work in learning how to use best practices to create customized resumes that increase your chances of winning an interview.